Mayur. Actually, basically my background is from the hospitality. I studied hospitality. I completed my graduation from the hospitality, even the diploma, even the graduation. It's BBA. After that, working for 4 to 5 years in the hospitality, I didn't feel the safer side of that for the long term in my life. Because after lockdown, it is almost like shut down. The hospitality industry is completely shut down. Before that, I was getting, the package was really good. Before the lockdown, I went outside. I've been to n number of countries. That time I was earning really good. But after the lockdown, they are not even paying me 20,000. So 15 to 20,000 to survive or to sustain in current situation is not actually possible. So I thought to be move to some industry which will pay me for the long time, not even the pay, but in the terms of safety, security, and even the balance between the personal life and the professional life will be good. So IT is the best industry for that, and I heard from my friends also, and at that time when I was getting 15 to 20,000, my friends who are already from the IT industry, they are getting really good packages, and even the Saturday Sunday off, 8 hours duty, that's so good. That sounds good, right? In my industry, I was working for 12 hours, so that doesn't actually even count. So I thought to come to the IT industry. One of my friends suggested me the iTpreneur. iTpreneur actually, in many terms, you will think that the fees is high, or the time is too big. 6 months. What you will do in that 6 months? If you are not earning, how will you sustain? So that thing. In the starting, it feels like little complicated, but after completing the 6 months, now you will feel you are at a good position. Definitely, you are at a good position. After completing my study from the iTpreneur, it took me almost 6 to 7 months, and I joined a good company. The package is really good. Okay, in the starting, for the fresher from the different industry, even after just 6 to 7 months course, they are paying me 3 lakh. That is kind of good package. Even they committed for the 6 months hike, and after 1 year or so, they committed the hike. So that's really good. From the iTpreneur, I especially like to thank Mr. Viraj. Actually, he was my counselor. He clearly explained me how the difference between my industry and how it is going to be work in the IT industry. So thanks to Mr. Viraj and Pranit sir also. Pranit sir is a really good man actually. His designation in the iTpreneur is good, but he is really a very soft-hearted man. He took almost 2 hours to explain me that what I am doing is right. I am not at the wrong path. And even I would like to thank the Aspia ma'am also. She's from the placement team. She took n number of follow-ups from the company also, from me also, and my first interview actually I completed. I did in some MNCs. That time that position got hold. So after that, she is the only one who herself called me and asked me for the next round. So I really want to thank Aspia ma'am for that. And